Know the difference, digital selling and social selling. Well, social selling and digital selling are both distinct processes. But in the end, their goals are the same: to influence and educate the buyer and seal the deal. Digital selling is growing as a new and increasingly intriguing concept for both salespeople and companies. In particular, we have observed a large growth in product and service sales in recent years as a result of the integration of social networks into the sales process, coining the phrase social selling. So, what exactly is social selling? What distinguishes it from digital selling? What is the difference between these two methods of selling? Digital selling. In digital selling, we merge marketing, sales, and customer services to generate business units. It's like traditional selling, which guides buyers to close the deals and better engagement for the future. The only difference is that we can do it by utilizing digital activities such as data analytics, social selling, sales automation and intelligence, CRM, customer relationship management, and multimedia presentations. The sales department has been slower to modify and adapt in this era of digital transformation than other corporate departments, such as marketing, which has transformed much more swiftly over the last decade through digital marketing. Social selling. Social selling is a method or approach to the sales process that entails a seller's relationship with a specific potential consumer using social networks. This new sort of sale shows an important issue, an internal company trend that will continue to expand in the next few years. The lines between the sales and marketing departments are getting increasingly thin as the two departments engage with each other more and more. Social selling is all about building meaningful relationships through social networks. Each salesperson can approach social selling in their way, but the three primary actions of social selling are as follows. Using pull approaches to approach prospects rather than pushy invasive ones, such as involvement in communities. Interact with potential clients using the places provided by social platforms, rather than by a direct message. Publish valuable material that your viewers will find intriguing. Thus, social selling entails gaining an advantage in valid sales conversations, regardless of industry, for both those who need to establish B2B sales chances and those who engage in B2C. For this reason, it is critical to train one's sales force in both digital selling and social selling as vital components for the building of ongoing relationships aimed at increasing client loyalty and revenues. Thank you. For more, subscribe and follow us.